They say that honesty is the best policy, so I'm honest when I tell you that Hades and death follow me constantly, mouth-watering, drooling over my skin. They realized they couldn't conquer me, they surmised they could fill me with their consciousness, possess me to do all of their bidding. Lately I've been thinking that these niggas must have been kidding, but I've been fitting feelings into plastic wrap. The saran's done, been acting with my Mona Lisa smile, no saran done. Lately I've been focusing too much on what the fans want, trying to ball out since my checks been stacking up like and one. Asshole to my grandpa, angel to my grandma, and fearing on the future and thinking about my grandson. But I'm getting hella off topic. I ain't been getting Doma home, so I got more time for my off the tops. And I've been thinking about the way I feel about you, and the more I think about you, the more I don't wanna think about it. You a real nice girl with a real nice smile, and a real nice voice that just drives me wild. But I'm thinking that I'm just around for the sex appeal, cause let's be real, when you saying all them crazy things you say, like after you get off work you might be jailbound, cause you gon' capture a banknote with a canine unit of hellhounds before you stick up the place. Maybe shoot off 12 rounds, and after which you switch to chill and say, hey, don't you tell now. Or the way you overcomplicate a simple thing, telling me you wanna be the joy my life could bring. When it's dark, or I'm sad, or when I'm dark cause the world is sad. And when you tell me I'm probably dark cause I think the world is bad, I'm not a dark person, girl, I'm just realistic. Because 1 second in the real world would eat you up and spit you out alive, but an emaciated image of your sullen sense of self and your sordid lack of entrance inside a spiritual realm that defies the laws of physics. And when you look at your reflection, you just see the hinting that death and Hades finally got you pinching on your pinky, and you're trying not to float into a mass of fucking skeleton hands begging you to come down with them. Girl, I hang around with them when the light of God fade. Whole reason I wrote God Killer. Point I'm trying to make is I'm jealous that you can smile. I'm jealous that you have an imagination that can run wild, an imagination that's healthy and happy and not feeble, that can take all of the demons and change them to better people. You're so happy it hurts, you shine so bright it hurts my eyes. It's no surprise that when I saw something in you